Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. And today I want to show you my trades for the 20th. Happy Monday, if that's such a thing. Okay, so just like any other day, I come to my desk and then I pull up my gap scanner and see what stocks are rising. Let me pull that up here real quick. So you can see these stocks, were the most popular today. So ideally, I was watching DPW, JE, TNXP, IBIO, AIKI, and I think there were a couple other more, but they're not showing up here since it's later in the morning. But if I pull up, my Twitter, and you can see that DPW, JE, TNXP, IBIO, AIKI, and XBIO. So let's go over my trades, right? So today was a very good day. I'm up about $600. It's actually $599.98. So round up to $600, which is a great day. So let's go over the stocks that I traded, right? So I'll go over the ones that are the most valuable. So as you can see, XBIO I traded, TNXP, JE, IBIO, DPW, right? And CKPT. So let's go over let's go over DPW. There was just one particular part where it was a good setup. But I didn't take that trade, but I think it's worthwhile showing you anyways, for learning purposes. So if we come back here, and the setup that I was actually looking for was for the break of this point right here. I did use breakup for 425, but I had my line drawn at 424. But it was for the break of 432. But for the break of as long as the 425 was looking good for me, I would have got in at 425. So pretty much in that range, right? And then broke out and then broke all the way above, right? So that area was a good area. I did, I think, try to take the trade. I didn't get filled just because I only have 2 cents of offset. Even in Lightspeed or any other, ones I had previously, like Lightspeed, I also had 2 cents offsets there as well. So I wouldn't have got filled in anyways with them as well. So, but this was a good setup. It was worth showing you guys for learning purposes. So that was that. Let's see. And then I want to show you, let's see, what else was the one. JE was another good one that was worth showing. So JE, let me go over here. So JE, I did a red to green move, which is I got in at the price over here at 58 cents and I sold some on the way up. So that was good money there. There was another setup here that I didn't take that was good. It would have took me a few tries, I think, if I would have took it, but it's still worth, I think, showing. So the setup was for the break of 66, 67, right? As you can see, it tried to break and came back down, but once it broke again after, it took off. So that would have been a good run, but it would have took me a few tries. So the good thing about these stocks is that usually if they don't break out, you can sell right away, and you might only lose like a cent or two max. So again, this is worth showing because it's it's good for learning purposes. But my entry was over here at the break of 59. So this is called the red to green move. So that was that. But my winner today was IBIO. IBIO was a whippy stock, but I think I was able to manage this stock pretty good. The price that I got in was around this right here for the break of 550. But I think I had added at 545 just because for the break of VWAP I saw and I got in, and then once I know it broke 554, man, we were off to the races. Or 554, yeah. And the other reason why this is good because 550 is another psychological level, so it also broke that with good volume, right? So I sold some on the way up, and my best sell for this stock was at 625. So as you can see, from 547 all the way to 625, I took this run. I didn't sell all of it at 625, sold some on the way up, and then sold my last remaining 100 shares at 625. But this stock went up even higher to 727. So if I pull this up and I show you my my sell on IBIO, sorry, 619, because it started looking weak around like 625. So I got out at 619. But yeah, nonetheless, it was a good trade. As you can see, I was selling some at 593, 579, and I bought at 547, 1,000 shares, which is literally for the break of this point right here. Right here, as you can, 547, the line is already drawn. So yeah, so that was a good trade. And then, stuck to my plan, and I followed my plan. That's it. Other than that, it's good momentum today. Hopefully we have that tomorrow. I want to finish this week strong and the whole month strong. So definitely looking forward to that. Other than that, hopefully you guys were green. And subscribe to the channel, guys. Most of you guys that are watching are not subscribing. Please subscribe. That helps out the channel. That helps me out. And also check out my Twitter channel. That's where I post my watch list. Other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow.